Let's check out what I built this morning. It's a customer support chatbot for Figma. I'll click here. Let's go to product support, Figma design, and figure out how to use auto layout. I'll make the chat window larger, and it's consulting my Retrieval-Augmented Generation database from several sources, which I'll show you later, and using DeepSeek as the backend in order to run it all. We have a direct answer, an official guide from the Help Center, some YouTube resources, a little bad formatting here, it is a prototype, and a tip from Reddit. Let's go ahead and ask about billing. We have a summary, how to access payment and invoices, how to manage seats, and some additional resources. Let's ask if there are any Figma Make tutorials on YouTube. It pointed us to the YouTube channel and to the Figma Make FAQs, which is obviously wrong because Figma Make is a good feature. So let's go ahead and report a bug directly from the tool. I'll go ahead and say this was not helpful. I'll create a ticket and then say the Figma Make tutorials aren't showing up, and it'll go ahead and make a ticket. You could click here, include the original conversation and the user feedback. So why did I make this? I made this bot to apply for the Automations and AI Specialist product support. I've never directly worked in product support before. However, I did make a tool at Airbnb which took screens of all of the flows of the mobile app for every language. That way customer support could have an easy reference. I am very good with AI and I love teaching, so I'd be a perfect fit because I can automate anything and I can teach anyone to automate anything. I'm a very fast learner. This chatbot only took about 5 hours, including all of the collection. And if you want to see how it works, you can go to theproductivityshop.co/Figma. And then here's the basic architecture that I had it set up just while I was cleaning my house and I took Ribbit for a walk. So I'd love to help out. Thanks so much.